everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Poshmark. If you want to unfollow someone or remove them from your following list on Poshmark, then the process is quite straightforward. To do so, first get started by open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in Poshmark.com and press enter. Also make sure to log into your account by entering your account's credentials. After you're signed into the account, go ahead and click on this listings drop down at the top and click on people. You can now search for the people by entering their username in the text box at the top. Once you make a search for the person, go ahead and select their profile from the list. Now click on the following drop down right next to About on the right hand side. To unfollow the person, click on Unfollow, and you have successfully unfollowed the person on Poshmark. You can also go ahead and click on the news option at the top right and then see all of the activities within your profile. To unfollow someone from that list, go ahead and click on their name and then click on the following option. Click on Unfollow to unfollow them on Poshmark. And that is how it can be done. So that was how you can easily unfollow someone on Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.